Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this snorkel set, and it's from Greatever since 2015. So we're gonna open the box and check out what we get inside. So in it we get the mask. So we're gonna open that up, kind of get that ready. And with any type of mask, you always want to make sure that you submerge it in water, rinse it out pretty good, and it's always a good idea to get a good anti-fog spray to spray on the lens. But we'll just put that off on the side for a quick second. Comes with the snorkel. That's also in the box. So that's your snorkel. Same thing, submerge it. You want to make sure it drains, has a drain at the bottom, at the top, and like with any snorkel, you want to make sure that before you breathe in, obviously for safety, make sure that you blow it out. I usually do about 2 or 3 quick blow throughs. So you're breathing in through your mouth and then out through the snorkel. And a couple other things you get in the box here. Comes with a cool carrying case that has mesh, so it can always stay nice and dry and ready. And then you have a little booklet, and it comes with a little envelope that has some instructions and some other stuff in there on caring for your snorkel. And it's got a cool clip. It's got a quick release clip that's on the side. You can pull that out. And then what you're doing is you are going to be looking for the left side because it's the left orientation, and you're going to slip this through. And it has a little strap thing there, so you're kind of making it a better angle. So you're putting that in, so its clip slides in on the side like that. And then it's got the quick release on it, so you can adjust it to your snorkel. Then you're putting your mask on, and you want to do a quick, kind of breathe in through your nose, and it helps get the suction going on the mask. And you do have a quick release here on the side, so you can adjust it back out if you need to, or you basically just pull each strap in, lock it in, and then with your snorkel, make sure that you blow it out. All right. All right, so overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, the system works great. I love the fact that it has a quick release. It's got the water drain underneath. And like I said, as long as you're safe and you make sure that you clear it, you shouldn't have any issues with that. And the mask, I like the fact that it is, it's really easy to make sure that you have a good seal on it. And again, as long as you put it on, have it tight, and the mask is clear, you do a quick breathe through your nose, and it will lock that suction into place, and it's completely waterproof. And yeah, absolutely love this thing. Even with like my beard hair and stuff, it makes a good seal that doesn't leak through the mask. So overall, Brian from Garage Mall with your new mask and snorkel. Be safe out there.